National President ke National People's Party buat Menteri Rangba ke Jala Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma hakashi tarik ujemang arja arpulai ulah hiar sesok yang konstituensi ban panjing kersan nak benta ukur tong ke parti ubak samlen malngyang hak election ke bandlong hakash pau tarik ujemang arja arpulai. Habakran kani gajing elang Conrad K Sangma ulah kata ya bon tli kimat kham tam gajing persang ke sarkar Jala ban wengi gajing khang ti doyong hak Jala dak NGT nalor ki kam ban kentiu ya karoi kapar ki surok ke pulia dangli bat kiwe-kiwe. Conrad lo kentu bandan ke sanhima kebayat teli bat kentho ya ki parti ki bakran benya ke NPP wat lah ki ya trailang hak sarkar MDA. Ula angru baha kanu ke benta la kadai hakari India ke judgment Rio Garo ni judgment Rio Khasi bon sin hi kim jubia hak pliang ke baki bam bat maham ru bakin sngo baha ban omle kumta.
When a leader leads, you must carry your people along. You must fight for your people, but at the same time you must respect others. Then there are many other political parties. They will come here and give so many speeches against the National People's Party. They will work with the National People's Party when it is convenient for them. And when the election campaign comes, they will go and speak against the National People's Party. Friends, I want to tell them, in our culture, in the Indian culture as well as in the Khasi culture and in the Garo culture also, we don't spit on the plate from which we eat. Please remember, we don't. We are good and we are kind and we work together because we believe in working together. It is sad today to see some of these leaders giving this speech today just because election is coming. I have never uttered a single word against these people. But it hurts me today when I hear such language and such divisive politics that people are playing. This is not healthy for our people and for our state. But the same political parties will then go to Delhi and then urge Delhi that please give us this, please give us that. What kind of hypocrisy is this? You will make fun on one hand, and on the other hand, you will still demand. I'll tell you, you ask these political parties and these leaders, you go beyond Khanapara, and I don't think you will be able to do anything. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Friends, we must remember we are in a global world. The world is changing. We need to work and move with others. That does not mean that we are giving up on what we believe. That does not mean that we are looking at ourselves and putting ourselves down. No. But we believe in cooperating and working with others to take our state and take our people forward. But there are some people and some political parties who will continuously speak in such a negative way. And as I said, once they go beyond Khanapara, they will not be able to understand anything or able to speak anything. This NPP government has been working tirelessly to open up the mining in our state. We filed the case in 2019, and after 2019, the Supreme Court has lifted the ban on the mining that was there put in by NJT. After that, the Supreme Court had asked government of Meghalaya and India to work on different mining plans and lease to allow proper scientific mining to take place. On this very, very important day, I would like to inform all of you that the day has come. Government of India has finally approved the mining lease for 4 miners. Government of India is now under the process, and Government of Meghalaya is now under the process to do the final paperwork for the scientific mining to start. And within a matter of 60 days from now, the National People's Party believes in positive politics. The National People's Party believes in developmental politics. The Western bypass that's going to come from here, more than an 800 crore project, has been moved by the National People's Party. And we will bring this project to transform the lives of the people living in this area. Almost 80% of the Western bypass will go from this constituency. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the lives that will change? The employment that will be generated? The tourism that will develop? The farmers who will be benefited? This is the developmental politics of the National People's Party. I know that you have problem of school out here. I assure you that as we move forward, the demands that have been mentioned out here today, whether it is regarding different health facilities, regarding different educational facilities, I cannot promise during election campaign, as you know. So I'm not going to promise, but I can tell you that these are all agendas that I have discussed with your local MLA. And we will take this forward. Who is the Chief Minister of the state? You already know the Deputy Chief Minister of the state. You already know that it is the National People's Party, the NPP, that is leading this government. And hence, casting your vote for any other candidate, for any other political party, will be a loss for you and for the people of Soyang constituency. Because the only way that we can take Soyang constituency forward, the only way that we can bring development to Soyang constituency, is to be with the government and to vote for that political party that is leading the government, and that is the NPP party. And therefore, in order to bring the change and the development, I urge all of you, don't listen to any other political party coming and giving speech. In order to ensure that we are able to make Soyang constituency a model constituency, vote for the National People's Party candidate.
Justice, everything, justice, everything.